Morning traders, it's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. Another dynamic week ahead full of events and opportunities, guys. Prepare yourself because we definitely can have some very good trades. So, quick summary about the economic calendar, then we can go ahead with the charts because it's the week is going to be very interesting. What do we have on Monday? German IFO Business Climate Index for the Eurozone, 8 a.m. GMT in the morning. After that, core durable good orders. These events are not pretty volatile in the market, so I'm not expecting very fast and volatile. Monday, 12:30 for the core durable good orders for US dollar. Tuesday, we have Bank of Japan monetary policy statement, important event for the Japanese yen, even though it's pretty early, 3 a.m. in the morning GMT. Consumer confidence, a very important event for the US dollar, 2 p.m. GMT. You know what's going on with the consumer confidence, what happened actually due to the pandemic situation. It went very down, which is pretty normal, but right now we see a slight recovery to the upside, even though I'm thinking about artificially pumped consumer confidence, but this is just another topic. Wednesday we have CPI for the Australian dollar, 1:30 a.m. GMT. Core retail sales for Canada, 12:30. Crude oil inventories, 2:30 p.m. We're gonna take a look in a minute about the crude oil prices. The event of the week, definitely Federal Reserve interest rate decision, 6 p.m. GMT. 6:30 after that FOMC press conference. Very volatile Wednesday ahead. Thursday we have initial jobless claims for US, 12:30 GMT, and penny home sales again for the US dollar, 2 p.m. GMT. So bear in mind that US dollar is going down, but the risk of correction is still there. US indices also recovered the losses on Friday. If you remember, and if you took a look, US indices went down big time on Thursday, and on Friday quickly recovered. Biden's tax hike has taken short-term impact on Thursday, but this is what's going on with after that on Friday. So that's why I'm saying about the US dollar, a US dollar risk of correction is still there. Interest rate decision, quickly to remind you about on Wednesday, and the crude oil is the other topic we're gonna discuss in a minute. Friday, just the last day of the week, we have German GDP, not the volatile event, 6 a.m. GMT in the morning, and CPI for Eurozone, 9 a.m. CPI inflation report, important event in gross domestic product for Canada, 12:30. Now let's take a look at the chart to see what do we have. We've discussed actually a future drop of the euro on end of last week after Wednesday, that we can see the euro going down, but the support was strong enough to push the euro with more than 100 pips to the upside. This definitely is a breakout of the resistance level. The price is heading up. Right now it's staying right between support and resistance levels. I'm not gonna change my levels for now, and it's just I want to see how the euro is going to perform. So simply in this case, the US dollar is going down, continues going down, but be careful because we can see push to the downside. Very soon I believe we're gonna have short opportunities on the euro US dollar, so be very careful by buying the euro currently. Exactly the same case with the Great British Pound, almost tested the support, 1.3114. Right now is trying to push up. Let's see if this resistance 1.3918 is going to cause some troubles, or it's going to be just pure breakout in order to test the next resistance. For now, I'm just going to put my next resistance here, 1.40. Big round number, very important and strong resistance level, so quite easily it's going to be tested, I believe, but I think we can see bounce back to the downside. Really depends when the US dollar will decide to just go up, and I think the FOMC meeting and the interest rate decision on Friday is definitely going to be a catalyst for that. Australian USD, kind of similar situation like the euro and GBP, is pushing up for now, but still not pretty clear in terms of price action. 0.7774 is the current price, heading to test the resistance level. I'm not touching the AUD for now. New Zealand USD, of course is very similar. Heading to test 0.7239. I'm not gonna touch the levels for now, and I'm keeping myself away from the New Zealand USD CAD. I'm jumping directly to the crude oil because this is definitely very interesting chart. We talked about it so many times, and I'm not gonna stop talking about it because we definitely can see very big drop of the crude oil. And when I see big drop, of course, not like March last year to $10, but a $10 drop could be possible of the crude oil. Just we have to see the interest rate, we have to see the crude oil inventories, and we have to build our shorting strategy of the crude oil chart. This could be very good opportunities, guys. If you trade it properly, you can get very nice profits out of it. Yes, future drop is expected of the crude oil. Right now is staying between the support and the resistance. Let's see what's gonna happen from here, but crude, in my opinion, is a good short opportunity. It will be soon. USD Canadian, we have a drop. Yes, we discussed that. The price pushed to the resistance level, super clear test of the resistance, 1.2623, and right now pushing down 180. Whoever taken the short trade on the resistance level or a little bit below that is making very nice profits, and test of the next support is quite possible. I'm moving this resistance into a new support level, 1.2366. Let's see what's gonna happen with the USD Canadian, but future drop is pretty possible. USD Swiss. Right now, guys, as we talked about this movement to the upside, and we discussed so many times, this is just a correction, and we do expect a very strong drop to the downside. Right now we can say exactly the same about this. We are in a very long-term downtrend, yes, but this specifically is not a downtrend. So we have to see correction to the upside in order to take better entries on the USD Swiss. Completely short trade on the USD Swiss I'm hunting for. Let's see what's gonna happen, but USD Swiss could be also very nice opportunity in the future. USD Japan, absolutely the same like USD Swiss. I'm not considering that as a downtrend, even though the chart is in a very strong downtrend. As you can see here, very strong correction, and right now the price continued to the downside. So very good short trades we could have on the USD Japanese in the future. So we just need here correction to the upside so we can catch better prices. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed these videos. Of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel, support us by sharing our videos, our YouTube channel to the social medias. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Expect my new video on Wednesday, and good luck.